How to redeem Honey Points. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can redeem your Honey Points. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to joinhoney.com. Once you're here, click on the option of Add an Account. Once you click on this option, here you will have to add Honey automatic coupon and rewards to your extensions. Click on the option of Add Extension. Then the extension will be downloaded in your Google Chrome. Once the extension has been added, the next step is to create an account. You can create your account using email, Facebook, or PayPal. Once you have created your new account, you can now rack up reward points and redeem them for cash, gift cards, or other options. Honey makes it easier to earn and redeem points. Now, you want to activate cashback to qualify for points on your eligible purchase. You can head over to any of the eligible websites such as Temu, AliExpress, the Home Depot, and much more and start purchasing things. After you have accumulated enough points, you can turn your points into cash, gift card, or PayPal shopping credits. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.